Hey guys, it's SJB, Drive Hard Daily here. Look at what I got in the mail today. There you go. I'm gonna open her up. There it is, guys. I'm going to just get straight into it. I'm going to just open it right up. That's what I'm going to do. Oh, look at that. Looks like it's exactly what I ordered. I'm actually quite surprised, guys, because before I open this, let me show you. I got an XLF F18 right here, and this one cost me $150 and it was brushed. This one is the Flyhal Fc650. It's the same car as this, but it was only $100 on Banggood and it was brushless. I'm not trying to support Banggood or anything, but this I've had for a year and it's held up in great condition, right? Like I've had a little bit of surface corrosion from running it in dirt and a little bit of scratches on the chassis, but other than that, the thing looks great. I haven't even flipped it too many times because I usually keep it on the small tires. But yeah, let me get back to opening this up. Go. Box. Nothing in the box, guys. And just throw it aside. Just turn the camera a little bit. So what you get in the package, guys, is a little manual, some extra screws, and some lock nuts for your wheels. This is a spare battery. It's a 1600 milliamp 2S LiPo, and a little piece of sticky 3M. Here's the manual, guys. We'll do a quick look over at it. Telling you how to put the batteries in the remote. How to turn on the ESC and bind it up, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, basic information in here. What you also get is a little screwdriver, a little hex wrench, and a LiPo charger. And it looks like there's also a bumper in here. What's great. And yeah, and then you get the buggy. So yeah, look at the buggy, guys. That's amazing, man. And this thing looks fantastic. It looks just like my XLF F18, but it should be brushless. I'm about to open it up, so we're about to find out. And then in the box here, it looks like I got, let me just put this up here. I got spare tires. Oh yeah, This combo even came with the remote I was wanting, the better remote, the upgraded remote, so that's awesome. And yeah, we get a set of monster truck tires. So yeah, let's open up the buggy, guys. Let's get straight into it. There you go. So here we got I have no idea, maybe a 20, I have no idea, I don't know what size motor that is, but it should be about a 3000 kV. You got 2-in-1 ESC there. The other battery is already in the car. You got 3-wire servo there, but the receiver looks like it's built into the ESC, what's quite unfortunate. So like if you wanted to upgrade it, you'd have to upgrade the ESC and the receiver, but you could keep the motor and servo, but still pretty good. You get full adjustable turnbuckles, you get metal drive shafts. This model has a wheelie bar on it, where my other model doesn't. Let me just grab my other model quickly. There's my other model, guys. This is the XLF F16, what I've done a brushless conversion on. I'll open it up and show you guys. Because to get the stock body on here, what you need to do is get longer body posts if you want to do a brushless conversion on this, like how I have on the F16. This is how I mounted the ESC. It needs to be right here to fit in the body, in the top of the body there. Ran the motor wires around there. We got a longer body post and the stock 2S LiPo in there. And this one I have a 540 series motor, and this motor I could tell is a little bit smaller than it, but it should still give plenty of power. Alright guys, that's my unboxing review. Well, I haven't really given my review yet. My review of these cars is that they're amazing. I've had this one here for a year, and like I said, I bought it for 150 bucks and it was brushed at the time. This one, the Flyhal Fc650, I paid $112 Canadian shipped to my door, and it's brushless. So I didn't have to go through all the trouble of doing this again with an F16, because this one's already brushless. I haven't ran it yet, so once I run it, I'll determine if it's any good, if the electronics are any good. Because in this one, the only reason why I upgraded it a long time ago is because the electronics kept losing range and signal from like 30 feet away. But yeah guys, that's the Flyhal Fc650, and that's the XLF F16 with a brushless conversion in it. If you guys have any questions about these cars, feel free to drop one down in the comments and subscribe for more videos.